seat in front of you. Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas
Do not
clear.
adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help. As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top.
On behalf of Delta Airlines and our global airline partners, I'd like to thank you for allowing us to be a part of your journey today. I'd also like to add a special welcome to our staff. All passengers comply with crew instructions, lighted passenger information signs, and